Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivatmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, book summary and personal life experience. So if you find my content helpful means please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today I'm gonna solve intersection of two linked lists. I actually made already and video about the what is meant by linked list, and also I compared along with the arrays. So if you didn't watch this video means please make sure to watch it, and let's solve this problem. So basically in this problem they are asking to find us the intersection of two linked lists. Here you can see the two linked lists are A and B, and the intersection they are intersecting at one node. That node is C1 here. So we need to return the C1 node. So actually we need to return the return type is also list node. So we need to return in null. I mean the node itself. I'm so sorry. And the next one you can see the example one here 41845 is the A linked list and 561845 is the B linked list. So these two are intersecting at 8. So we need to return our intersecting node as 8. Okay. So how can we do this problem here? So basically I would like to do this problem with the help of hash map. Hash map stores the elements in the form of key value pairs. Okay, here let's say this is the hash map hm. Okay, I'm declaring as hm. If you take the example one as this one, a linked list is 41845. Okay, 41845. This is the A linked list as per the example one. Okay, and the B linked list is 551 Okay, 561, and here it is intersecting here. Okay, now I'm gonna store the keys as node and the value as node's value. Okay, my keys are node and the values are node's value. In this way I'm going to store. If say this fourth node address is 100, let's for example, and the one address is 104. In this way 8 address is 108, and fourth one, this one is like 112 and 116. Okay, these are the address of this A linked list, and the B linked list addresses are, let's say, 105, 106, 107 and 108. Okay, now I'm going to iterate this A linked list, and I'm going to store the addresses, the node addresses as my keys, and the values that are present in the nodes as my values. I hope you are all getting. So when we are going to iterate this A linked list, first fourth node address will be stored in my keys. Okay, as the key, and the value that is present in the 4 node is 4. So it will store as 4 in my value. In the same way next one, that is 104, and the value is 1. And the next one, 108, and the value is 8. And the next one, 112, value is 4. And the next one, 116, and the value is 5. In this way my nodes addresses will be stored as the keys, and the values of the nodes will be stored as values. In this way the A iteration is completed. Now while traversing this B linked list, we have to check whether this node address is already present in our hash map or not. If it is already present in our hash map means that is our intersection node. I hope you are all getting. See here, now I'm going to check in the sense I can check the keys itself, because keys are the unique one. If you see the values means, see here 4 is duplicate. That means it might confuse us, because duplicates are also present in our linked list, in our both linked lists. So it will result wrong output. Instead of comparing the values, we should compare our keys. Okay, so now we are in by using hm dot contains key method, we are checking whether this address is already present in our hash map or not. So we are checking 105 is present in our hash map. No, it's not present. So this is not our intersection point. Now it will check is 106 is present in our hash map. No, so it is not our intersection point. And is 107? No, it's not present. And is 108 is present? Yes, it is present. It is there. It is there. So our output will be, it will return the node 8 as our output. If suppose there are no intersection points, means like in our example 3 they also mentioned that one, if there are no intersection points means it will simply return null as our answer. I hope you are all got this point, I mean how to solve this one with the help of hash map. So let's code this one. Hash map list node and integer. List node is the node addresses and integer is our values. Okay, hm equal to new hash map. And the next one, now let's take one variable called t1 which points to the head node of the linked list A, and the next one t2 which points to the head node of the B, that is head B. Now I'm going to traverse the A linked list. First I need to put my nodes and values in our hash map, right? So let's traverse the t1 not equal to null. So hm dot put t1 and the value that is present in that t1 node. Okay, t1 equal to t1 dot next. Now my hash map elements are ready. So hash map contains with these elements. Now I'm gonna check by traversing the T2, that is B linked list. So check if hm dot contains key T2. If it is there means please return that node itself. We can simply say that it is intersection node. Okay, now T2 equal to T2 dot next. If suppose there are no intersection node means simply return null. Let's execute this one. It passed. Let's submit this. It passed, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps.